There are some predefined formula formattings for your table, so let's go to our shortcut Alt JT and have a look at these. Now in the table styles, you can press S once again to open up the dialog box. You can scroll through any number of pre-formatted tables right here, and you can select whatever data that you prefer. Let's press OK on this. Once again, being in the table design, you can also change the table name right here, and to change that you simply type in sales data table as you want to have your table renamed. This is especially useful when you are filtering from across a number of different tables or using this in things like Power Pivot. Now, you can also refresh your data if you had an external source, but in this example we don't. Now here we have a table style options where you can click the header and it removes the header if that's what you want. You can also, let's scroll down, control down arrow. If you want to see a total, you can just click that, and that is not part of the table, but you can uncheck it. That's just a quick show of the sum of the table. Here we can have a look at the last column that is bolded out, and we can have a first column that's bolded out as well. So these are very easy ways to format your table. Let's control up arrow to go to the top. We can also band the columns, so check that. You can see now the columns have been banded as opposed to just having the rows banded. We can also insert a slicer right here, and this will allow us to simply filter our data very fast. Just press, let's say, country name and press OK. Now we have a list of data here that we can click. Let's click onto India. You can see that we have now all our data filtered for that as well. Let's clear the filter here. We can also remove our filter button at the top. If it looks messy and you don't prefer that, just uncheck that and your data is now still in a table, but it is now without the filters. So last thing we need to do is have a look at the convert range, and this takes it from the existing table format into a range. Let's click onto that convert range, and it comes up with a message here. Do you want to convert it? Yes. Press OK, and now you can see that this doesn't have any table options, and we don't have the table as well over here.